Hey, Chris Spiker for AV Nice. I'm here at the LA County Airshow. You know, the Airshow hasn't been here at Fox Field since my kids were just about this tall, just little kids. We are so excited about the Airshow. Today is Media Day. VIP tent, BigD and Bubba are coming, so I brought my autograph pen. I'm gonna go in there and get an autograph from the boys. And I don't have anything to write on, so I don't know what's gonna happen in there, but I'm excited to be at the LA County Airshow. Let's go check it out.